Today we are going to be talking about the iPad. Particularly, this is the M1 iPad Pro that I bought not too long ago, and I basically want to go over with you guys if I think that it is worth it in the year 2023. And I guess short answer is, yeah, I find it useful for stuff. It's more useful than, I wouldn't say upgrade to the new one. Just so you guys know right here, can see right here. I don't know if you can see it. I'll just let you guys know it's the iPad Pro 11-inch third gen officially. This is the 128 gigabyte Wi-Fi model. Now I know what you're thinking. Why didn't you get the 256? Well, because I really don't use it that much like that. I do use it to video edit occasionally. You'll see the Final Cut Pro, the DaVinci Resolve. But if I'm being honest, I probably use Luma Fusion the most on my iPad. That, and I guess I did use Final Cut Pro on iPad for a while. So sue me. Final Cut Pro for the iPad is not bad at all. But believe it or not, I used this for games for a while. This whole folder right here, I actually had iPad, Apple Arcade for a while. And honestly, not bad at all. I grew obsessed with playing Jetpack Joyride too. Yes, I know it seems crazy. So this is, I don't want to say the perfect gaming device, but it it does a few things, okay? The video editing, because of the fact that it's an Apple product, it has AirDrop, so I'm able to AirDrop to my phone, I'm able to AirDrop straight to my Mac, all that stuff. I don't gotta worry about emailing myself or flash drive related shenanigans. But with that said, I do have a second T7 SSD. I'll put a link in the description below if you're interested. And the iPad Pro does support it. So I just plugged it in. This is 1 terabyte right here. So it makes it easy to transfer back and forth stuff that may be a little too big to AirDrop in a decent amount of time, which does make it pretty brilliant if I'm being perfectly honest. Now, since this is the M1 and the M2 is out now, and there'll probably be a M3 by the end of this year, maybe. I mean, if the Apple rumors are to be believed, then there will probably be a M3 at some point. The M1 is still good for what I use it for. If you're hardcore edit everything from your iPad, which if you do, I'm definitely not judging, but I am curious. So let me know down in the description below if you're a hardcore, or the comment section below if you are a hardcore iPad editor, okay? Because I am very curious indeed. But yeah, for what I use it for, the M1 in 2023, just fine. I know in a few years it might not be supported and it might start showing its age. But for now, I think the M1 is still fine. Now, if you're buying this brand new anyway, I might recommend you either buy the M2 or wait till the M3 comes out. But you could probably find a decent deal with it used on line. As you can see, I also have the pencil. With this is the pencil Gen 2. It charges seamlessly with the iPad Pro M1, and as you can see, that even a camera. It has a LiDAR sensor as well for the cool like 3D type things you want to do. Like, you want to see how furniture looks in your house and stuff. No problem. That's pretty good. But overall, if could I recommend buying this in 2023? Yes. If you're buying it used. Okay. If you're buying it brand new, you're better off getting the M2 version. Sometimes I find myself accidentally covering up the camera, which I need for Face ID, obviously. So, yeah. But overall, that's my opinion and review and whatnot of the M1 iPad Pro. 11-inch specifically, but I'd be giving a similar, if not same review for the 12.9-inch as well. Let me know your thoughts, comment section below, and with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.